Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm super excited because I will be doing an unboxing from Hush. They went ahead and sent me a box today. Oh, you can hear everything in it. But I got a box from Hush, which is a really inexpensive website, and pretty much what they sell is everything for eyes, lips, face, skin, and body. They sent me some eyeshadows, highlighters, as well as a facial mask. And so I'm just gonna be reviewing what they pretty much sent me. As you can see, the box is already open because I was super excited and couldn't wait. So had to jump in here, and actually the eye look that I have on today is from all the products in this box, of course. My eye makeup, which actually turned out to be super cute. I'm actually really excited. Spent a lot of time on this look and I hope you guys like it. So if you guys want a video on exactly like how I did my eye makeup, just let me know. But let's get started. So the first couple of eyeshadow palettes that I want to show you guys today is actually the look that I have created for my eyes. And so the two eyeshadow palettes that I use today is Bad Habit Retro Love. I'll go ahead and show you guys the colors inside. So what I love about these eyeshadow palettes is I know we just ended with summer and we're transitioning into fall. A lot of the colors that I have actually really works for both. I feel like at this point you kind of just use whatever works for you. Just go with the flow. Whatever you feel comfortable with, that's what you should put on your eyes. If you want to go ahead and do bright colors in the fall, why not? Who's to stop you? The colors that I use today, I'll go ahead and show you. They're actually called Rock and Roll and Nostalgia. That makes sense, Nostalgia. So like I said, I used the Rock and Roll right up here and the Nostalgia right here. I did also go ahead and use that youth color. That's, I guess, why I'm pointing to it. Very lightly, but not really so much. I kind of wanted to keep it, I wanted to kind of do a fall look, but I also kind of wanted to have like a little bright look going on. So that's what I used in that one. And then also, the next one's called Royals. Bad Habit. It has 14 eyeshadow colors as well. Let me go ahead and show you. If I can get it open. Get it together, like, get it together. So this one has a little bit brighter colors. The ones that I used for my face in this palette is actually the Majestic as well as the Crown. Very lightly, I didn't do too much with the Crown. I kind of just used it on the inner corners of my eye, but yeah, Majestic and Crown is what I used in this palette. So here's my thing with the highlight colors. They're super cute. I use them very lightly and I mix them together to kind of work for my skin tone. It doesn't, at least my opinion for me, it doesn't necessarily work with dark skin. There's really only like 2 colors in each one that I use. So the first one I'm gonna show you, one is called the Oasis Highlight Kit and the other one's the Paradise Highlight Kit. So the Oasis one is really pretty packaging. They're all super cute packaging. I'm sure, as you can see, they're super cute. And I've been trying to like play around with them to see like what works best, what kind of looks I can come up with them. Haven't gotten too deep into it, but I definitely still got time. So you guys will probably see a lot of these featured in a couple next videos just to, you know, play with it and see what I got. So I went ahead and used like the tan lines, and I actually mixed it with another highlighter that I have, which is like a sun-kissed color. As you can see, hopefully my highlight is showing through. Hopefully my highlight is popping. And then for the Paradise Highlight Kit, same thing. In here, the one that I like is the Mai Tai. I really hope I'm saying that right. If not, sorry. But that's what I'm gonna call it, the Mai Tai. And then we got the Resting Beach Face, Sun-Kissed and White Sand. So my tie is this one right here that I've been using as well. And so as you guys can see, it's not really like dark skin friendly. You can lightly use it and maybe mix it together with something else, but I gotta keep it real. sorry. But they are super cute, and I was able to mix and match and play with the colors a little bit to suit my melanated skin. So the other 3 eyeshadow sets that I've got, I went ahead, this one's actually one of my favorites, and I did actually make a look with this eyeshadow palette before. I didn't do it for this one, but also colors are kind of similar, but I really like the colors in this one. This one's called Athena, and this one actually has 18 eyeshadow colors. And as you can see, it's a little messy just because I have been playing around with it. But I'll go ahead and show you guys these ones. My favorite ones, the 2 that I've been, well, main couple of colors that I've been playing with is this L shape right here. Heroic, Power, Clever. Let's see what this bottom one is. Darling, which is a super cute sparkly color that I've been messing with. And then lastly, let's see, Divine and Epic, which is right up here as well. Like I said, you guys definitely will see a couple looks coming out of these because I really like this eyeshadow palette. So it's called Athena. This is my favorite one out of the bunch that they sent me, as well as the first 2 I showed you guys, of course, because that's what this look is. And then lastly, they sent another one called Bad Habit, and it's called Midsummer Night. This one has 30 eyeshadow colors, and to be honest, I feel like this one truly is a summery palette. So lots of super cute colors. I would mostly use these colors if I was trying to really go for a soft look. There's a lot of options in here to create like a soft, playful look. Or you know when you look up those videos on YouTube for just soft pink looks, soft purple looks, just like, you know, those soft sun-kissed looks that we're going for, the no makeup looks, like that's what that palette reminds me of. So that's that. Oh child, getting thirsty. Sitting under these lights definitely get too thirsty. You gotta make sure that you keep your water bottle next to you. But that's pretty much it. Oh, I lied, that's not it. There's one more, and I'm so sorry. This one's super cute. I like the packaging for it. It's called Sugar Face Candy, and this one has 18 colors included, and this one is actually kind of cute. I don't know, I was acting up. They all have super cute colors, and I can go ahead and show you guys the colors in this. I love nude colors. That's just my thing. If you ever see my eye makeup looks, like on a day-to-day, if I'm just like running out the door, I usually don't do any, but if I do eyeshadow, I do like a very soft smoky eye. Like I love browns, I love tans. That's just like my go-to colors. I just feel like it's a nice soft look and it works for everything. That's what I like to do. Anyways, but that is all that's included in this packaging for today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will catch you guys soon. And like I said, if you guys want to see this eye makeup look, go ahead and let me know in the comments down below, and I will make sure to get a video out to you guys. Oh, and if you haven't already, be sure to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you can get notifications on whenever I roll out a new video. See you guys soon.